Welcome to RedBuilt's Video Guides to Revit.
So now that you've created your sloped members, you've got a bunch of cleanup that you need to do. I've added a piece of vertical rim here, and on either side of the rim I've added a couple of reference planes. The best way to clean up this joist, which I want to send full length for my material list, so it's going to stick out past the rim for material reasons, but I want to clean it up visually for the customer. So you use the cut tool. So modify tab, cut, and in this case I'm going to use multiple cut because I want to clean up all of these joists at the same time. Down here, the software is telling you what to do is pick the element to be cut or the host wall. So I want to select one of these joists. It's going to highlight blue. Then it's going to ask you to select the reference plane, which is why we created those reference planes, or family instance to cut with. So in this case, I want the joist to be visually cut to the inside of the rim. So I'm going to select that inside one. You'll see here and you'll see here that that joist has now visually disappeared. Now because I use the multiple option, you can select another element to be cut. I can just go down this line and select all of those joists and all of them clean up. So now let's clean up our rim. So I'm going to grab my section, slide it over so that I can see my rim down here. Same thing, I'm going to select cut from the modify palette. I'm going to select my object, the reference plane that I want to cut it to. You can see that it cleans everything up really nice. What happens if I want to restore that visual reference? I can go up to the cut, drop it down to uncut geometry, select that. Once again, select the object, the plane that I had originally used to cut it to, and it will restore the visual part of that object. So keep in mind when you're cutting these objects that they're not really removing material. That material's there, it's just visually being hidden. So cut, object, reference plane, and everything looks great.
Thank you for watching this video, and please come back to the RedBuilt CAD SharePoint for more information on OneNote, other Revit guides, and other YouTube videos, and also link to 16 bugs for any issues you may have. Again, thank you.